Sige, subok mo.
What's that? Fish. Corn. Corn.
Pag travel ko kayo mga ganun or
Minsan, nung bago-baguhan ako, ang sipag kong mag-vlog.
pero kung ito ba?
Nung nakasahod ako, tumamad naman ako.
Ngayon marami kayong iba-vlog niyan.
Hmm.
Yung ano mo sa Saskatoon, no?
Ay, hindi ako naka-vlog doon sa Saskatoon. Yung sa Regina, mayroon. Ano itong isa? Ayun, no?
Baka puno na yung ilalim ko, ah.
Shush!
Ha? Pagkabi muna, sabi mo.
Kamay ko.
Hindi naman yun.
Umiyak si Layla, hindi.
Lagyan mo na sabon.
Ay, parang naiyak si Layla.
Yes.
Nayak?
Naiyak ba, ano?
Yakon mo.
Hindi.
Hindi ako. Kalmod ka na eh. Ha? Naman?
Luto-luto lang. Parang hindi natin ganyan. Kasya pa yan. Yan muna. Ayun muna yan.
Amar! Sabi na to. Ayun.
Sige na, parang mo yung mga bata.
Binaso. Ayoko kasi talo. Just try it. Attitude? Good? Iyak po ba? Natuto lang.
Yung mga bata, para makaano na.
Natuto lang sila. Masarap at boba siya. Pating boba, di ba? Ano yung dito pating boba yan? Iba ito. Iba ito pating boba yung strawberry. Kaya ito pa nga isa. Kasi yan nga yung sinabi ng strawberry. Ito. Yan yan. Ayaw yan. Maganda yung pating boba. Oo, yun ang gusto nila dito. Brown sugar at ano pating
May bagong vlogger.
Nasaan?
Hi vlog!
Welcome to my guys.
Nag-subscribe na ako.
Ano na siya?
kailangan mong maka 1,000 subscribers saka 4,000 watts hours bago ka
Monetize.
monetize. Kaya nasa 5,000 plus subscriber.
Pag travel ko kayo mga ganun or
Minsan, nung bago-baguhan ako, ang sipag kong mag-vlog.
pero kung tamad.
Nung nakasahod ako, tumamad naman ako.
Ngayon marami kayong iba-vlog niyan. Yung ano mo sa Saskatoon, no?
Hindi ako naka-vlog doon sa Saskatoon. Yung sa Regina mayroon. Hindi ko pa na...
Hindi pa na-upload?
Yung sa kanya, tamad na ako mag-edit eh. Kung ano na lang yung... hindi kagaya ng baguhan ako.
Oo.
Sipag kong mag-edit.
Oh, hindi naman mahirap mag-edit.
Na may kahirapan eh. Kung gusto mo talagang pagandahin yung matrabaho.
Oo. Kuya, saan sila mo? Sabi na ka mo.
Mamaya ulit, pagkakain na. Ayan na, sanggyu pa na.
How to eat? How?
Ano ba yan?
Alam ko, kunwari lang, bakit ba?
Wala. Ayaw naman na. Popping daw yun, popping. Kasi doon ako, si Kuya Emar lang pinakumubos, popping pa rin yun. Eh, naku, magpa-concert eh, wala. Hindi na po chocolate. Pang scores.
Ay, kay ano ata yun? Kay Amber ata yan.
Ay, marshmallow.
Mamaya, pabiling ko sa ito. Saka yung ano niya, yung bata niya. Tututusan mo mga yun.
Ayun.
Ano jowa eh? Ano jowa bells eh?
Tagalawin mo, tagalawin mo.
You, say you and you, jowa bells, go. You, together eat.
Huwag ka magsalita na ganyan.
Yeah.
Don't English me. I'm
Do
panic.
you know how to eat?
Oh,
Oh, paano ba na?
patay na
Daddy,
sa
nasa
kayo ni Mami.
Saan yung vlog daw? Yan daw.
Mami, say hi to vlog.
Who that?
Ay!
Who that?
Who that? Spray.
Oh.
Vlog on vlog.
Oh.
Ganito mag-vlog niyan, tita. Gaganon ako.
I-ano natin ito. Parang mukbang ano.
muna ako. Just wash your pom-pom. Oh yeah, wash your pom-pom. Where is ano na? Where's JP?
Sino sa si?
Nanundot.
Ah, maya na.
Thank you po, Lord. Thank you ako sa Lord.
Ay! Napunta na.
Sanggyu pa na. Semar. Lalamig si nanay ah. Go, shoot that ball. Wow, ha?
Not just now. Hey!
Lagay ka na dito.
Ha? As ate. Siguro rapi.
Do you want with rice or
Vlogger din ah.
matutok.
This is cheese corn. Creamy cheese corn.
Tama-tama yun.
Do you like spicy, ba?
Kita alam niyo. Kaya. Ganito ah? Ano kayo?
You want rice and then fish cake?
Mami, hindi ka na mami!
Kuha sa camera yung
Kung nga meron pa dito.
Paano, how? Sige, knock.
Oh, hindi ka na kayo!
Ito po ginawa ko, pinatong-patong.
Okay. So, knock ito here. Yung pato.
Magkano yan?
Hi, guys!
Hi!
Hi! Magkano yan?
You want beef?
Ilang card nyo na mo? Ha? Kalimutan ko yun. Did you buy the beer? What? Did you buy the beer?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh, thank you very much. One thing you like is ID. Wow. Thank you for the beer.
I use that card.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got your ID?
This is beef.
No ID?
He didn't bring me, so I
No license?
What?
You didn't have license driving?
Introduce.
Elena. Yeah.
Oh, there's a blood.
No. Thanks. Are you guys with me? Oh. I thought you were saying to me, oh, she's beautiful, isn't she?
Wala na.
Try it.
Well, I already ate food though.
You already?
Oh, nice to meet you.
First time you meet? First time you
Yeah,
meet?
and I heard our names are similar. My name's Elena.
Alina! Wait.
Wait. Time first. Loading.
Wala na, finish na.
Okay, inhale. Exhale.
For what? No, I'm full. I ate already.
Oh, what's okay?
Nice to meet you. I'm Elaine.
Oh, yeah. That's funny.
Same name, eh?
Elena?
Yeah. No, I use so much.
Wow, good
sangyup.
job.
Where's my
You like it, Box? Or do you like something else?
That's my sign. Alpius. Alpius. Where's Amber? Amber. We practiced
Amber.
a while ago, right? We practiced a while
Yeah.
ago. Okay, go.
No, you do it.
You. Oh, where's the? I am.
Come on, bro.
Oh, bro.
Ah, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise? I don't have no? Here. So,
Boblog din?
you put like just a little on the end. And then you put everything in and then you fold it like
Matugot?
like
Let's go. You try it, Lina.
like this. This try it.
Oh, you put. Okay.
Ayaw niya po ng ano, she doesn't like meat. So, this, right?
Come here. It's Scarlett.
Fish cake.
You put like this.
It's good.
Hi guys. Like this. You put this rice or this one lang?
Yeah, so you're gonna taste the
Vlog.
Huh?
Mga nag-vlog. Naalala mo?
Spicy.
Then,
Oh,
you taste.
I haven't really
Baba.
spice. No worries.
This one too.
Yeah.
What's that?
Rice. Good.
Oh yeah, so just eat it.
Say hi to my guys.
Cheese corn.
You want to put rice up pa? There? The bacon cake.
Gusto daw kayong mamigis eh.
Double date? When are you free? We're here at
You said you want to meet my brother?
Double date?
double date.
What is that?
What is that?
You like bear?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Family date na.
I'm out. I'm at work.
Yeah. So, yan po yung isang vlogger natin.
Okay, awesome.
You should go with her.
Yeah.
Wait, put it back? No, she's in her vagina. Never mind.
Well, it's okay. My brother lives in Saskatoon.
How old is your brother?
21. He lives with Josh. With who? You know him or no?
Josh. Oh, the big tall.
Yeah.
Big guy.
Kahit saan po.
Yeah.
Kanin. Ay,
Ano, sangyupan na.
mukbang naman. Yan, tingin kayo sa mukha. Look at my eyes.
Sige, subok mo.
What's that? Corn. 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 Corn.
Why?
I don't think that's a good match.
No, it's it.
Mom!
I already tried.
She don't like it. Oh, Scarlett.
Ano?
You get another one for this one.
Asan na si Leila? Sa inyo yan, Nay?
Kay, kay Scarlett.
How was that?
Galit yung tren ah.
Hindi mo pa nilagyan ng hindi ka kumuha ng put here.
Spell naman. Hog. Featuring green.
This one.
Tapos na yung oras daw niya ng kumain.
Gamit to. Gamit to na. Let's try it. Pero, ano, hanghang na.
Like part-time. How do you just have to work?
Okay ba saan?
You know, full-time at a job here. I'm just at tourism here. Yeah, I don't do much now. Yeah. Gonna pay just chill.
May nakapatid mo kakain kaya yun, be?
Si Macho?
Hindi si Lele. Eh, ayaw naman mami ang kakain.
No, I go on it. I bring my laptop.
Yun naman.
Might as well. They don't really care. Sorry.
What's this, te? Fish cake. Leila, hoy! Come here. Leila!
Okay na kumain. Yun.
Yeah, with my friend.
Babe, gusto mo?
Ano ba? Ayaw niya. Sino? Leila. Nagtanong ko yung pakain natin. Ay, ayaw mo na kumain naman ng ano.
Protected mo. Kidding.
Kumain ka naman kanina ng isda. Okay na yun. Good job. Ay, oo, masarap nga pala po. Yun! Ito ka! Ito ba? Okay.
Bumalik sa lalagyan. Wala nakakita.
How was your the lake? It was really hot. Yeah, during that day. But I like it. That's like my favorite weather. What did you do there?
Hey, we're going to the lake tomorrow.
Yeah!
Have you been to Matt?
Yeah.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Can you bring Yuki? Can you bring
But people are
Yuki?
swimming there today?
Today?
Yeah?
No, I wasn't there today.
When you go there,
Yeah, there were people swimming when we were there.
was like there was like a play area like
Yeah.
it was there?
Yeah, that thing's really fun.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll go there tomorrow.
Okay.
Is it far?
The water's cold.
The water is cold?
Yeah.
Wait, do you have to pay for the bouncy?
But yeah, you do. I'm not sure how much.
It's okay, you won't be paying. Your mom will.
Okay, bring
Yeah.
Yeah, we got lost because it took us to the wrong spot. Like,
O naman, magkano ba tayo bukas? Mag-batch?
like an hour and
Kuya, mag-batch na bukas.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Kuya, mag-batch na bukas.
I don't think that's bad though. Not bad. Yeah.
Batch morning.
You almost tried to do
Dali natin yung ano, yung paddleboard.
No, I
Ano sa'yo ulit?
said the same thing.
Masutso.
Mahal,
Mahal, gusto na tayo bukas.
You should be able to like GPS.
Andun pa daw yung ano eh.
It took me to the wrong spot.
Punta mo ba? Punta mo pa
We were lost for a little bit. And my AC like stopped working midway. And so it was like 35 degrees outside. Like I actually thought I was gonna die inside my car.
So like everything I eat will go out there.
May pap dun kuya, kunin nyo kaya pap.
Guys, going clubbing today.
Yung baso.
No, just to the bar.
That's a good
Pwede
one.
lang baon na lang bukas eh.
Is there a good one?
I don't think so.
Itong dami pang guys, oh.
Oo, yung mga
How
pagkain yan.
many years lang
Pa.
since we've been to a bar?
Makaswimming kayo doon sa gitna. May ano dun eh. Yung parang
years na.
palaruan. Na
I
naka-float.
just stopped going.
Tapos
I
magdadive.
used to
Oh yeah.
Ay, wala! It's gonna fall!
Sa,
I don't like
Isa.
clubs though. I like bars.
Kakayan na.
dali lahat ng ano, lahat ng lahat ng life jacket.
has a lot of good clubs.
Hanap po
I need a life jacket, Mom.
Ha?
Yeah, because why would I?
Oh.
Yung gano'n mo.
Why does he need to go clubbing?
May life jacket dyan, marami dyan.
I mean, exactly. If you're with
Then we'll do a
Why does he
paddleboard.
need to go himself though?
Paddleboard.
Why?
Ito yung kumain.
Baka na
Yeah, right.
you can drink inside the
Ayun
house.
ako
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not on your side, bro. Because I
Have
rather
you tried
drink.
paddleboarding? The
Just
standing
because I'm a girl,
paddleboard?
so it's different.
We'll go more on the lake, okay?
Girls go out with their friends to like.
You sleep early and then tomorrow you wake up 8 o'clock.
But then guys are like.
Ito pa, spam tsaka.
It depends. You have to look at his friends and how
Parang
they
na ano na kayo, ayaw nyo na.
If they're like a bad influence, then
Yeah,
I will let my boyfriend
I
go
think
with
they're
them.
fine.
If they're loyal,
Anong sauce nito? MR.
Ha?
Anong sauce nito?
Saan? Ha? Secret?
just go with together.
Hindi, para pag ano, magluluto ako.
Are you full na? Eat lang. Take lang.
Kasi maaga pa ako para maaga nakabalik. Ano sabi niya? Ano sabi niya? Hindi na daw?
Okay lang ba na hindi na napag-swimming eh? Eh, hindi daw pwede kasi yung madalaman ko pasado sila.
Tomorrow.
That's next time.
Yung last na session. Kung mag
Oras na lang.
I over.
Yeah, we have to go.
So ano mangyayari?
So we
Susunod
can,
sila.
so we can get our thing if we pass or not.
Si Tita Eileen.
You think you will pass? You think you pass or no?
Tita, should we bring food for Tita Eileen?
You will pass.
Ano daw, bukas, may baon na daw pa eh.
Bukas na nasusunod tayo ha. Mas lake.
Alas 6 gising na ako.
Yun, ang maganda doon.
Meron pa daw isa.
Nasaan na? Starter.
Si Tita Eileen.
Kasi pangit pag masyadong ano na, mainit na masyadong.
Hindi.
Gagawin ko muna yung tubig.
Where's this other
Yung
umbrella?
malamig kung hindi
It's
kaya.
not cold.
Kaya yan.
Drink water.
Mababasa ng mga rayuma.
Pag nandun ka na, hindi mo na mararamdaman. Sa una lang.
Pagkasaon. Ang gagawin mo, talong ka na lang.
Oo, talong.
Wala ka na magagawa
Sa
doon.
Bras. Mami, balik ko ka rin sa dagat bukas.
Malamig.
Hindi no malamig.
Si
Sa
nanay,
mama ka na, para may mag-barbecue.
si nanay, lusong yan sa dagat eh.
Ha?
Lusong sa dagat.
Tumusong sa dagat dyan si mami?
Oo, makakuha lang ng tahong.
Kaya nga na sobrahan niya.
Ay,
Makakuha lang siya ng mga crab.
Mga crab.
Ah.
Ano?
Mama.
Corn.
Oh, ito, pang mama. Tingnan mo ito.
Pang mama.
Oo, pang mama yan.
Ito spicy.
Yan. Pang mama yan eh.
Pupunta naman ako ng ano dito.
May planax ako dyan.
Drink lang si Sir ng water.
He was like walking away from me. I mean, she can, maybe she can do the bathroom, but then she can't. But she can't do the bathroom. Like, I did it before.
Diba?
What do you mean it was bad? I got it in. So what are you talking about?
Bilis mo English, no?
Grabe naman yan.
Bilis
Paano
mo
ka makasabay? Paano ka makasabay?
You know it.
Tato ko ang galing mag-English ng Alina.
Okay na yan.
No, it was good.
O, diba? Kailangan ko bang ihap?
I can't say that. I can talk about it. But I said, okay.
Ako lang to. Ha? Pero
Sarap yan, lalo na pag malamig.
hindi ayaw.
Maganda rin
Hindi
yung
lang yun sa
quality
ano
ng
man,
ano
hindi
to.
nila cool.
Ng meta.
Hindi nila ano man.
Yun na ba eh?
Hindi nila pagkain ba?
Ano yung voice command yan?
Kasi puti. Kaya lang may iba kasi, di ba?
Ano yung voice command?
Yung ano, the try nila.
Parang Siri po.
Pero masasalita na yan. Yung bawa, Meta, what's the weather today?
Ano ba to?
Ano sasabihin niya sa'yo?
May Oakley din po.
Kinuha na lang. Ma, hindi ako si Kek. Ano yun?
Bibili niya ako ng watch.
Kuha nga rin kami sana ng ganun. Nakaano sa cellphone.
Lang po. Kasi
Ha?
Dalawang ina.
Sino? Oh, ano yan? Binibigyan ko ng ano yan? Kaya padalhan ko ng pansit.
Hey Meta,
Ito.
what's the weather today?
Sana pala nagluto tayo.
Wala mo.
wala. Hindi siya nag-blink talaga. Hey, Meta.
Ano sasalita?
Ay, Meta. Sinabi.
Ang galing.
Wow, Tagalog yung sinagot.
Tagalog yun.
Ah, narinig ka nag-Tagalog. Ang
Itong
galing.
Meta na to. Ha? Ang pugi ko daw.
Sabi ko na nga ba, kaya hindi ako bumili ng Meta Glass eh.
Mabolas na Meta.
Kanina to.
Nay! Nay, tayo!
Sa akin yan, sa akin.
Nay!
Galing no?
300 lang to.
Oh?
May Oakley din po sila.
Nakakapag-translate niyan.
Okay.
Picture! Nakakay ka!
Leila, dali. Dali, go, go. Leila. Go, go.
Walang dalawa.
Oh, picture guys. Oh, everybody.
Come Layla here.
Nasa baba yung dalawa siguro.
Tawagin si ano.
Ay!
Dito ka sa tabi.
Usog ka dito.
Usog naman. One more. Baka hindi ka tayo makulat. Ako naman,
Bye
ako
na.
naman.
Where's Amber?
Kami.
Ako nandun sa baba.
Wait, but I can take it up with like everybody.
Nasaan si Amber at si ano? Wala.
Leila, Leila. Go, go, go.
Come here, Layla. Dito, Layla. Here.
Leila.
Here. Dito na lang, dito na lang.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay, baka video. 1, 2, 3. Wait, Scarlett and ano?
Nasa baba siguro.
Nag-ano ng pusa.
Oh yeah, has she met the cats yet?
Awesome.
You like his hair?
I don't know, he doesn't let me see it.
Huwag na kayo mag-ano.
Anong tawag yan? Simulate, no?
Wait, you cut your hair?
Ay, Louie, kain na.
No, like the flow.
Oh, tumatawag, tumatawag.
Sorry, I convinced this dude to cut his hair. He's